up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's vlog. I'm just in the best mood ever. It's Monday. I just made a second coffee. It's gonna be a great day and I can't wait to bring you guys along with me. Today's vlog is gonna be super exciting because 3 exciting things are happening. 2 of which already just happened. 1, I tried out a new coffee recipe that I love. 2, I finally found beer can glasses in Canada. And 3, I got a new planner and I'm so excited. Does anyone else get really excited about new planners, or is it just me? Because I've been looking forward to this vlog for like a good 2 days now. So I'm super excited to bring you guys along today. I'm working from home today. It's 9. It's gonna be a really busy day. I have a lot to do. I had a lot of big things happen last week. If you guys haven't watched my last work week in my life, I highly recommend going to watch that because I just got some unexpected like big changes for like kind of the group I'm dealing with. So I'm doing a lot of that. I worked pretty much all weekend and now I just have a ton of emails to catch up on and a lot of coding to do because payroll is at 11. So that's that, but I just made another coffee. Stella is taking her big morning nap and I can't wait to bring you guys along on my day. I'll talk to you guys about my coffee super quick. Like I said, these are the glasses. I finally found them. I've been looking for them in Canada everywhere and we finally found them at Walmart actually. Kicking Horse coffee, and I do Kicking Horse has cold brew and it's like my new favorite thing right now. So I've been going through these like crazy. As much as I love making my own cold brew, it's super nice as a treat to have some around the house. For me, this is like my going to get coffee is having cold brew at home. So I made that, and then I'll show you guys the coffee creamer I use. I've been watching for a while. You guys know I love this Silk Almond Hazelnut Creamer. I've been using this literally for years. So I just do 1 serving, which is like 15 mils. And then I just like froth it up with the hand frother and put it in just because I don't really like my coffee super sweet, but it is a nice like treat, especially on a busy Monday. It's currently 9. I have to get back to work, but I figured I would make my coffee, start the vlog off, and then we will get to making a to-do list for the day. She just sleeps in the weirdest positions. Good morning. Oh my god. Little bubs. Disney music on in the background. I don't know, I just like it and it makes me feel happy. She's finally learning how to climb the stairs and it's the cutest thing in the world. Come on, Bubs. Yay, good girl. Come on. What a good girl. You want a treat? Sit. Down. Up. Up. Paw. Paw. So smart. We're doing today's vacuuming. We haven't vacuumed the house since we got her and it needs to be vacuumed. So I'm just trying to get her used to it. We have like a Dyson knockoff. I can link it down below. It's from Amazon. It's really, really awesome. But I'm just trying to get her used to it. But yeah, I need to vacuum the house so bad. I need to make the bed still, but guys, I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be able to hold her like this for. Yeah, you're already over it. I started using Canva for my thumbnails. I don't know why, but I just like enjoy them a little bit more. I like the fonts better, so I'm just finishing up a thumbnail for this video, but the video is just being uploaded for brand approval right now. So I don't really need to do like a final cut on the thumbnail yet, but I just finished that off. And I wanted to show you guys my new media kit. I actually need to change it up. So I want to have 2 media kits. So I want to have like my lifestyle one and then my doggy one. Just because I've been working with a lot of dog brands and I feel like it deserves kind of its own little media kit. This is what my media kit looks like. Yeah, I always need to go in and update it. But I have my analytics right here. And then like a little bit about me and then my demographics, and then like I need to update this, but I kind of just do like a little like sneak peek of my channel and then some of the brands I've worked with and then my contact. So that's what my media kit looks like. Like I said, I just need to update this though to have more of like a dog one. But yeah, that's kind of what that looks like. I promise we're gonna get to like my planning and my planner, but I just have so much to catch up on this morning. You just love to be by mommy's feet all the time, don't you? I think so when she goes down for her next nap, we're gonna do some planning, some to-do lists and whatnot. I have a few meetings this morning, but that's kind of that update. Typically goes down for a nap around 10. So she naps. She's so weird. So she gets up, we go outside, we play for a little bit, she eats breakfast at 7. She tends to get up around like 6. and then we eat at 7, and then she takes a nap right after, and then she gets up around 8, we play for like 2 hours, and then she takes another nap around 10. So she's due for that nap soon, but I'm just teaching her to be really independent when I work from home. Like, she needs to learn to play with herself and whatnot, so we're getting her used to that. But yeah, that's my little morning update. I'm just going to, I love Mondays. Everyone says they love Sundays, but I actually love Mondays. So we are going to answer some emails, get some like brand stuff done, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Sit. All morning, but I've been on meetings all morning long, and I'm just eating breakfast now. I just have a big lemon water, egg white scramble with ham, and a little bit of low-fat cheese, some pineapple, and some toast. And we're gonna eat that. We're gonna hang. We're gonna play, and then Mama's got another meeting at 12:30. And you're tired apparently. I had such a busy day, you guys, and I haven't gotten to do anything like productive yet, which is fine because that's what the evening is for. And normally Stella takes like a evening nap too. So just a very, very busy work day, but hopefully we'll get some stuff done afterwards. I'm waiting for a package to arrive, so hopefully we can do some kitchen organization today, but we'll see. But I'm really excited to do my new planner after work. It's like what I'm looking forward to the most. Finds the weirdest spots to get comfortable. I swear she's... No, we don't eat kitchen cabinets. No. No, ma'am. Guys, here is my new planner. I got it from Walmart. I'm so excited because it's a day designer planner. I had no idea you had these at Walmart. I've been off the paper planner train for a while, but with work picking up and having like a consistent full-time job, I just figured it'd be nice to have one again. I actually really like planners that are like notebook sized and thin. I prefer that to like smaller, thicker ones, but they did have a different size too, and it was $14.95, which is awesome. And then I just picked out some of my favorite pens because they don't like leak through. So this is what it looks like. I'll give you guys kind of like a little quick overview of it. And just so pretty, oh my gosh. So it's one of those academic planners, which I love. The big monthly view. The pages are also pretty thick too, which is nice. And then I just like love the layout. If you've never seen a day designer, they're gorgeous. It has like your schedule and then your to-dos, and I just love it. So much room for to-dos and amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in maybe kind of this week's planner, and I'm super excited. This is what I ended up playing for today. I don't know why, but it's like the older I get, the more I don't want to highlight my planner, and I just like the black. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But this is my to-dos for the day. I keep my work to-dos separate on a sticky note on my computer just so I don't get it mixed up. It's more just kind of like my business stuff or just like house stuff. So I already sent in this vlog for approval, vacuumed. I still need to do the spice rack. We'll do that later. Catch up on emails. I need to take a picture of Stella and film an Instagram story. And then I just wrote down what time my meetings were at, which I actually have one coming up, but that's kind of that. And I did that for the week. I like to do my to-do list the day of. I don't really know why. I just like to do it in the morning, so I don't do them ahead of time. But later on, maybe we'll do the monthly layout. I actually like doing monthly layouts, but the issue is that my work schedule changes so much. So we'll do that after. Late. I know it's late, but I have a to-do list going for the day at least. And yeah, we're excited because what I wanted just came in the mail. Perfect timing. So I ordered these spice labels on Etsy. I can link them down below. They're just very plain and simple. I'm kind of basically doing what Allison Bickerstaff did, if you guys watched her video. And then I ordered these same little spice jars on Amazon. They just look like this. I think they're so cute. So they look like this. These labels to put on top, which I might do. And then I just bought a clear spice rack off of Amazon that'll fit in there. And the plan for right now, do you want to know the plan? Are you interested in the plan? Take the mugs and put them somewhere else and then move the glasses up so that we can put the spices here. That's kind of like our goal. So I'm excited to do that when I'm done work. Are you excited to help mommy set up the spice jars? And we will start our fun project. On my next meeting, I also made some cold brew. You guys ask me all the time how I make it. I have a vlog, I'll link it down below, but it's really simple. I just take my French press. We do 6 tablespoons of coffee and let it steep from anywhere from 8 to 24 hours. Hello there. Would you like to not eat my reusable straws, please? Thank you. So yeah, that's how we make our cold brew. And yeah, I just like to have a variety of cold brews on hand, as you can tell. We have homemade cold brew now in the fridge. We have Kicking Horse, Costco, and then this local Autos one. So we always have a ton of different kinds on hand. We just love to try different cold brews. But yeah, I think he is so precious. Alrighty guys, I am done work for the day. It's 3. I actually got done work late, but I just got off a meeting and now it's time to organize. I'm so excited. I don't really know what the rest of the day holds. I really wanted to get out of the house because we're trying to encourage Stella to like be okay being alone. So I might just get out of the house and just like run a few little errands. We'll see. I have to like go get like almond milk and stuff, so we might do that after this. But let's start organizing the spice jars. Everything all cleared out. I don't know why we have like an uneven amount of glasses, but we do. So I got that cleared out. We've never used these mugs, so they're kind of just like extra when people come over. So I was like, why not just kind of tuck them away in here where we don't really need them. And then I think this fits. I'm sure it does. Oh, awesome, that fits so well. And then we'll just put some like extra ones over there, I think. Interrupting the spice jar organization, which makes my kid look like a mess, to go take Stella's 9-week photos because I think she's awake enough. Anyways, I just updated her board. We're doing this every week, and tomorrow she's 9 weeks old today. So we're gonna go outside and take that while she eats her leash. So guys, look how cute her 9-week photo turned out. She's so stinking cute. And you're gonna have so much fun while I am gone. You're gonna have so much fun while Mama goes to the store. And then when we come back, we get to play, okay? Look at it. Hi guys, I just left Walmart. Didn't really get anything exciting, but I guess that's life. I'm about to head home. I think I said it in my last video, but basically I am starting to leave Stella home alone for like an hour, hour and a half now, just so she gets used to it, because there is going to be a time, which we don't really know when I have to go like back to work full time. So we need to get her used to being alone. So typically I end up like going to the gym or doing errands. The gym was just full today, so I couldn't go. So I went there. I might go to Marshall's. I don't really need to go to Marshall's. We're not going to go. Go to the bank and take out money from parking. And yeah, and then I got home, super adulting grocery haul. Like I said, I just like to get out of the house and leave her for a few minutes, so I just needed some almond milk. I got some organic garlic powder just because it was the same price as like the regular no-name one. And then I did get a funnel set so we can finish our organization. Matt wanted me to pick up some chicken burgers. I got some like off the vine tomatoes, and then like I said, I just like these when I work from home because it's been really busy lately, so I just picked up an extra one of that to have. That's my little Walmart haul, and now I really want to finish this off. It's 4:24. Turned out so good. What do you guys think? I think it turned out so nice. Wow, I just need to figure out what to put there, honestly. Maybe like, I don't really know. I don't know what we can put there. It's currently 6 o'clock. I'm pretty much done everything I had to do today, except I have to take one more Instagram story to post tomorrow. I'm currently just exporting a vlog and I get a lot done because she takes her evening nap. Before we continue our kitchen organization, I need to clean this up. This is just the reality of having a puppy. Like, I just honestly can't do a lot on my own right now. Also, she's still sleeping with clothes of ours in the crate. And I didn't get the chance to make the bed today, but that's just reality. I'm gonna clean that giant mess right now. We have laundry that's been sitting here for like 3 days that I just like haven't been bothered to clean. So as much as I am a productive person, guys, I'm not perfect and I don't get everything done, but I am going to take care of this. Lighting a candle because it smells like spices in here, so I'm gonna light that. I just like love this candle. It's just so aesthetically pretty, but I have that lit. Still trying to figure out what to put in there. I think I honestly might just put like some of our extra spices in there, even if it's not pretty, because who cares? It is, I just kind of threw in some extra like big containers of spices we had that we used a lot, but I think it looks so good, you guys. Amazing. So project done. To work up the motivation to take the recycling out, but it's not happening, so I decided to change into a comfy outfit. And I'm just wearing a black oversized boyfriend tee from Aerie, literally my favorite shirt in the entire world, and then just some like Nike shorts. They're actually pretty similar to the Lululemon tracker short. I love them, but Stella and I normally go outside like 10 minutes before Matt comes home, and then that way when he comes home she can like run over and see him. So yeah, my salad was amazing. I'm just trying to get stuff done while she's sleeping, but because this is probably the most productive day I've had since we got her, which to you guys I may be like, Carter, this is definitely not your most productive day, but to me this is the most productive I've been since we got her. So I'm feeling so good today, and yeah. Hi cutie girl, did you just wake up from a nap? Are you sleepy still? She's so cute. She doesn't beg, but she has to be like near me when I'm making food. She just needs to be in the same room. She's so dark. Alrighty guys, it is currently 7. I'm about ready to wrap up everything I'm doing to go take Stella outside and wait for Matt to get home. It's my favorite part of the day, is taking her to see him. She gets so excited. I'll try and insert a clip if I get one today, but if you guys enjoyed the vlog, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you're not already for more productive vlogs or whatever you want to see. Let me know down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!